In 2014, the world was rocked by a series of momentous events that would leave lasting imprints on history. The rise of ISIS heralded a dark new chapter in global terrorism, as the group rapidly seized vast territories across Iraq and Syria, shaking the foundations of regional stability and igniting fierce international backlash. Meanwhile, tensions escalated in Ukraine as Russia's bold annexation of Crimea shattered borders and sparked an urgent, worldwide debate on the sanctity of sovereignty and the rule of law. The war that followed in Ukraine would continue to evolve into one of the most devastating geopolitical conflicts in modern times, culminating in the full-scale Russian invasion of Ukraine in 2022, which has brought about unprecedented global sanctions against Russia and reshaped alliances worldwide. On the environmental front, a sobering UN report on climate change painted a dire picture of the planet's future, demanding immediate, collective action to stave off disaster. The Paris Agreement, signed in December 2015, promised a collective effort by nearly 200 countries to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Fast forward to 2024, and while progress has been made, the climate crisis continues to intensify. Record-breaking heat waves, catastrophic wildfires, and floods are now regular occurrences, prompting urgent calls for stronger action. The IPCC's latest reports continue to warn that the planet is on track to exceed critical warming thresholds unless drastic steps are taken. Meanwhile, the launch of the iPhone 6 in 2014 revolutionized the world of technology, not just by pushing the boundaries of mobile innovation, but by laying the groundwork for a new era of mobile payments that would change the way we interact with money. In 2024, smartphones have become even more integral to our daily lives, with cutting-edge technologies like 5G, augmented reality, and AI-powered apps transforming industries and personal experiences alike. The evolution of mobile payment systems has only deepened, with digital currencies and mobile banking platforms becoming mainstream, and more nations exploring the potential of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. And in a year that changed the course of history, December 2014 saw the historic Paris Climate Conference, where nearly 200 nations came together to form a landmark agreement, committing to confront the looming crisis of climate change. While the agreement sparked hope, the road to achieving its goals has been fraught with challenges. By 2024, discussions on climate change have grown even more urgent, with rising global temperatures and extreme weather events underscoring the need for transformative policy and action. 2024 is also witnessing a continued revolution in geopolitics, with China's increasing assertiveness on the global stage, from the Belt and Road Initiative to tensions in the South China Sea. At the same time, technological advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics are prompting new debates about the future of work, ethics, and even the very fabric of society. As the world grapples with these and many other challenges, it is clear that the echoes of 2014 still reverberate across the globe, shaping the conversations and decisions that will define the next chapter of our shared history.